In every episode, the teacher character introduces a new concept with enthusiasm, weaving in personal anecdotes to illustrate real-world applications. Let's take a closer look, they say, beckoning the audience to engage with their hands raised, ready to contribute ideas. With each lesson, the character builds a bridge between theory and practice, seamlessly guiding viewers through challenging material while maintaining an inviting atmosphere. It's this blend of approachability and professionalism that encourages students to voice their questions, growing more confident in their understanding. By personalizing their approach, the teacher enhances the learning experience, ensuring that every academic hurdle feels surmountable. The lessons are not just informative, they spark curiosity and inspire a love for knowledge, making each session a step toward mastery. In one particular episode, the teacher notices a student frowning, pencil tapping anxiously on the desk. "Hey there, I can see you might be wrestling with this," they say, kneeling down to meet the student's eyes, their voice calm and inviting. The atmosphere shifts as the character leans in, creating a safe space for dialogue. "Let's break this down together piece by piece," they continue, demonstrating a commitment to collaboration and reassurance. As they guide the student through the complex idea, a sense of camaraderie builds, and the classroom transforms into a supportive community where every question is valued and every learner celebrated. This interaction illustrates the heart of effective teaching, recognizing each individual while promoting collective understanding. As the lesson progresses, the teacher character introduces interactive elements to keep everyone engaged. "Now, I want you all to think about how this applies to your lives," they encourage, gesturing towards a whiteboard filled with examples. Students perk up, exchanging glances and thoughts, eager to share their insights. "Who can give me an example of how you've seen this concept in action?" Their question hangs in the air, inviting a flurry of ideas. A student raises their hand, eyes sparkling with enthusiasm. "I saw this in our school project," they exclaim, and the teacher beams with pride at the connection made. "Perfect! See how this all ties together?" The room buzzes with shared experiences, each voice adding to the tapestry of learning. This collective exploration not only reinforces the material, but also builds a sense of community as learners celebrate each contribution. The character's dynamic presence ensures that everyone feels a vital part of the lesson. It's moments like these that transform the classroom into a lively hub of discovery, where knowledge is not just shared, but actively constructed. As the dialogue continues, the teacher glances around the room, noticing the eagerness on the students' faces. "Let's gather our ideas and see how they connect," they suggest, guiding everyone to cluster around the whiteboard. With a marker in hand, they begin jotting down key points, illustrating links between concepts. "This right here," the teacher highlights, shows how everything is interconnected. Think of it as a web of knowledge. Each student contributes, forming patterns that enrich their understanding. With this strong foundation of shared insights, the teacher smiles and encourages the students to explore further, saying, "Remember, learning is an adventure we tackle together, so let's keep weaving our ideas into this web." This spirit of collaboration sets the stage for future lessons, energizing their educational journey together.